Pythagora 2.0 just dropped, and it claims to be your all-in-one AI dev tool. But is it really that incredible? Here's what it actually does and why it might be worth it. Pythagora 2.0 is an open-source AI platform built to help you create, test, and deploy full-stack applications using natural language. You describe the app you want, and it auto-generates the backend code, controllers, APIs, and tests included. The new version adds deeper integration with tools like LangChain, Pinecone, and local LLMs. It also supports full CRUD apps, custom database models, and test coverage out of the box. If you're a solo dev or building prototypes fast, this removes most of the boilerplate work. After installing it with a few simple commands, you just run Pythagora in your terminal. It'll ask what app you want to build, then generates working code based on that prompt. You can test endpoints right away and see everything documented. It also handles test writing and debugging for you, which saves a ton of time. Pythagora 2.0 is seriously powerful if you want to speed up backend development with AI. It's still best for devs who can read and tweak code, but for rapid prototyping, it's incredible. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.